Greetings friends, I'm Geo Fatboy for ShaveNation.com. A new razor review today. This is the Alpha Outlaw Evolution. Ain't she a beauty? Look how nice it looks. You get your choice of 3 different handles. This is the Bravo. You can go Braveheart, you can go Viper 95, which is even bigger. All have excellent grip. Check out the underside, you can see the logo there. So they used to have mild and standard. Now they just have one version. This is it, the Outlaw Evolution. So it's a lot less confusing. You don't need to choose between the mild and the standard version anymore. Nice and easy. Let's unscrew the handle. It's a 3-piece razor. Here's a look at the underside of the top cap. You can see the threaded post and the 2 pins. Very nice machining on the safety bar. Here's the other side. Let's get the logo turned the right way for you. I might have a little smudge from my finger. Sorry about that. Today I'm going to use a feather blade. And as I've said before, feather 10-pack is yellow, 5-pack is black, the exact same blade. Here's what the paper looks like. Let's remove it. Take a look right there. Feather high stainless, made in Japan. Pop that right over the threaded post like so. Reinstall the safety bar. Reinstall the handle. Again, this is the Bravo handle. Very comfortable, easy to grip, even with soapy or shaving cream laden fingers. Here's the new information on the razor. New from Alpha. You asked, we answered. Meet Outlaw Evolution. The Outlaw razor re-engineered in 2023. After 2 years of designing and prototyping stages, we have the pleasure of revealing an all-new Outlaw with improvements in many areas. Outlaw Evolution 316L is available with 3 great handle choices: Bravo, Braveheart, and Viper 95. All solid 316L stainless steel, providing excellent grip and comfort. There are no more of the previous mild or standard versions, just this new version. Of course, you still have your choice of handles: Bravo, Braveheart, Viper. The razor, over 300% more blade clamped area. The blade gap is 0.70 millimeters. Again, Alpha is not afraid to tell the blade gap of the razor, whereas a lot of other companies now, they're reluctant to reveal that information. It says 6% wider top gap, re-engineered safety bar with a smoother feel for that perfect shave. Less rounded angle, all round, resulting in a modern look for 2023. 6% less weight in the razor head, giving a better balance. Exposure is neutral to slight positive, depending on blades used. We have it loaded with the feather blade. And today I'll be using some Proraso from the tube, Aloe and Vitamin E. Simpson's Trafalgar brush, right here. Sovereign synthetic fibers, very soft on the face. Let's mix up a lather. We have these horn bowls. This is the large one. This is the small one. This one fits right in your palm, like so. The large still fits in your palm, but it's a lot bigger. My fingertips just come around the edges. The smaller one, you can really get a grip on it. It's a smaller version. Let's mix up a quick lather in the small one, see how it works. Under the hot water, warm it up a little bit. We'll squirt some of this Proraso, Aloe and Vitamin E, right into the bottom, like so. We'll take our brush soaking cup, the Scully cup, fill it about 3/4 of the way with hot water. Just drop the brush in there, saturate it. So it looks like that. Pour out the water, give it a couple shakes. I'm going to set that down for a second. I'm going to warm up my face and then we'll get right to the shave. This way my face won't dry up while I mix up the lather. Here we go. The horn bowl, the palm-sized bowl, Simpson's brush. Just going to swirl in there. We're just going to load the tips in the bowl and then we're going to go directly to the face. Like so. Here we go. We'll just lather up on the face. Vigorously into the beard. Swirl it, paint it. Figure 8, smooth everything out. I've got about a 1 to 2 day beard growth here. Not too heavy. Set that down. Swipe. Swipe the neck. Clear the runways. Just so we can see our sideburns. Wet fingers, easy to grip. Let's do it. Find your angle. Nice hefty razor. The handle adds a lot of heft. Solid stainless steel. Mowing right through my beard. One side becomes filled with stubble. Flip it over. Both sides are filled, rinse it off. Now the other side, left side. Find that angle, cut that sideburn. Start a little bit lower and work your way up to get that line. Clean out the cleft. Very solid, substantial feeling in the hand. Both sides filled, rinse it. Rinses out very easily. Mustache. Scoop right under the nose. This handle is just long enough to drop in the palm right there and spin, which is nice. A quick rinse. Leave that residual cream on. Pick up your brush and your horn bowl again. And relather for the second pass. Just a light coating this time. Figure 8. Swipe. Swipe. Clear the runways. First pass was north to south with the grain. Now we'll go across. Warm up the razor. Backhand. Excellent shaving razor. Rinse that. Against the grain on the neck. Very easy to grip. Comfortable. Rinse. Now across the mustache. Just take the tip, the corner, directly under the nose and clean out those hairs. Then lay it flat. Rinse. Another slight rinse. I can still feel the residual shaving cream. Just gonna hit the cheeks. Get them baby smooth. We'll do a quick skim pass. Stretch the skin with your opposite hand. And you don't want to scrape, but you want to just find that sweet spot Right here, nothing happens. Tilt the handle upward slightly, just till it catches. There you go. The cheeks are like glass now. Fantastic. Rinse that. A final cold water rinse to the face. Oh, it feels great. The Alo and Vitamin E with cold water on top. Very refreshing. Take your Shave Nation Wide Stick Alum Block, remove the cap, soak it under the cold water. Just glide that all about the areas you've shaved. This will give you a little bit of feedback on your shave. You'll get some stinging if you went too deep. No stinging. Excellent close shave. Very smooth. Let that soak in for about 30 seconds and then rinse it off. Pat the face dry. Now let's get some Proraso Aftershave Balm. Right in the fingertips. Whoa, that came out quick. Didn't expect it to come out that quick. But we want about that much. The good thing, if you get too much, you can always just drop it right back in there again. It's got a large top, a large opening. Massage that into the fingertips, then directly into the skin. Very nice. Check it out. A super smooth shave. Cheeks, mustache, chin, neck, everything very smooth. Feels great. Very high marks for this razor. The Alpha Outlaw Evolution 2023 model. Here's a good look at it. Check out that blade reveal. Perfect on both sides. Very comfortable, very hefty. Feels great in the hand. Loaded up with a feather blade. I'll give it a 6 on the aggressive scale. Very comfortable, efficient shaving. That's 6 on a scale of 1 to 10. I use the feather blade, but keep in mind you could tone it down with a less aggressive blade if you chose to do that. Again, you have your choice of handles. This is the Bravo. You can go Braveheart. You can go Viper 95, which is even bigger. All have excellent grip. If you want to pick up this razor or any of the handles or any of these other items, just click down below the video where it says more or show more. You can grab them right there. Or go to shavenation.com. Enter what you need in the search box. It'll pop right up. Alpha, Evolution, Alpha handle, whatever you need. The Hornbull, you're not going to generate huge amounts of lather with this smaller one, but it's very handy. It would make a good travel bowl just so that you can drop some cream in there, swirl it, and then go directly to the face and lather up. It's ideal for that. It doesn't take up much room in your DOP case either. Smaller size bowl. And you know, the cool Scully cup, we like that. The Proraso Alo and Vitamin E shaving cream, also excellent. Shave Nation Wide Stick Alum Block, excellent shave provided. Please like, comment, subscribe, share my videos with your friends. Over 600 videos, shaving and more. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geo Fatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave, have a great day.